To say that this was a hit in our house is an understatement. We were sent this absolutely adorable electric wiggle cleaning car so that we could give you guys a review, and it is definitely 10 out of 10. We had so much fun playing with it. The assembly is non-existent. It basically comes pre-assembled in a box, which is a huge win, and it is such a cute little size. It has a simple on and off with your go button for the pedal and a comfy seat for your little one. There's LED on the front and the back. It can hold up to 66 pounds, so this is something that we are going to be able to use for years. She absolutely loves it, and it is going to be amazing for all of my kids. It even comes with music features. So many different soundtracks are pre-recorded on here, and there are just so many fun features. You can use this with and without the cleaning pad. It is so cute to watch her go around and try and clean the house and help mommy by having that map on the front. It is adorable. I absolutely have loved being able to let her try this out. All her friends want to try one as well. This is definitely a win and would make a fantastic gift. So great for little ones. Definitely recommend.